Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a classic Filipino dish that is tomato based and it is called Kaldereta. Kaldereta is normally made with beef or goat, but I don't have any beef right now and I couldn't find any goat unfortunately. So what I found is some lamb. These are bone-in lamb that I just put in the oven under the broil setting. I did add a little bit of tomato paste just to help with the browning, okay? Today we're going to use an Instant Pot. Other than that, what I have here is liver spread. This just gives like a savory note to the dish. You really don't taste the iron aftertaste that you normally get from foie gras or eating liver or any organ meat, okay? This is great because it's a little sweet as well, so it's gonna help sweeten up the tomato base stew. Just a can of green peas. You can use frozen green peas. It doesn't matter, just something for color and for a bit of punch. I do have some red jalapenos that I just cut in chunks, and I also have some mild green peppers that will add some color to the dish and a bit of kick. Other than that, let's begin. Alright, so first things first, we just want to put everything in the pot, and I'm going to start with heating up my oil. I'm going in with my onions first, a bit of salt to help speed up the process, in with your garlic, and as soon as you start smelling the garlic, just go in with your tomato paste. Fry up the tomato paste a little. I'm going in with my liver spread. This one is seasoned so that you don't taste much of the liver, but just an added savoriness to the dish. And it's one of the main characteristics of Kaldereta. And just toss that around. And as soon as you can smell all the tomato paste and the liver spread and the onion, go in with your roasted lamb, and don't waste all the juice because that's flavor. You can skip this part. You don't have to roast or brown up your meats, okay, but it does add more flavor, more layer to the dish, so it's a plus. You don't necessarily have to do this, okay? I just have a lot of time in my hands right now, so why not? And just give that a toss, make sure it mingles well with the tomato paste and the liver spread and all the aromatics. I find that for 3 pounds of lamb, a tin full of crushed tomatoes is perfect, okay? And lock it in, make sure you seal it depending on what model you have. So this is my first time doing lamb in a pressure cooker, okay? So I'm setting my timer to 30 minutes and I'll see how it is after. Alright guys, so it's been a few minutes. Let's take a look. It's not quite there yet, but that's okay, because now the potatoes are going in. And make sure that the potatoes are fully submerged in the liquid and the peas. Perfect. Close it again. Get the pressure cooker going for 10 minutes. Let's just take a quick look and adjust the seasoning. It's got the perfect consistency right now. Just thick enough that it is a stew. Check your potatoes, add your peppers, a bit of black pepper, adjust the seasoning with a bit of fish sauce, or just use salt if you don't like fish sauce, and a bit of sugar just to give it a bit of sweetness, a little to balance the saltiness and the tangy from the tomatoes. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and again, if there's any questions, leave the comments down below. You can also catch me on different social media platforms, okay? I am on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!